Masarap at murang beef shawarma na gawa pa ng isang Egyptian chef na galing Dubai with few years experience as a chef. Siya raw ay napamahal hindi lang sa kanyang mga kasamahang Pinoy kundi pati na rin sa kultura ng ating bansa. Kaya naman naisipan niyang dito na manirahan, magtayo ng sariling negosyo and bring us Filipinos to his home country by serving his best Arabic food specialties. Kaya tara, samahan niyo kaming tikman ang mga ito for only 139 pesos, buy one take one pa.
Hi guys! So, itong beef shawarma ni Wael, 139 lang, buy one take one na. And free na yung sauce niya. Only ba to? Is this only?
Yes. Sauce free. You can add the hot sauce or garlic sauce for free.
Talagyan mo na ng sauce yan.
Yes.
Put sauce here.
Okay.
Thank you so much!
Thank you, Soso. Thank you.
Dito nga yan matatagpuan sa 3F Concepcion Street, San Jose, Pasig City. And here's their menu. Sobrang dami pang affordable meals na pagpipilian dito sa Wael Shawarma House. Sobrang lapit nga lang nito sa aking college school noon. Malapit sa PLP. Shoutout sa mga PLP yan! At dito, makikita mo nga kung paano pinaprepare ni Chef Wael yung mga orders ng customers. At eto nga habang pinapanood at inaantay namin ang mga in-order namin pagkain na hinahanda ni Chef Wael and ni Kuya Chris, here's a little Chika Minute with Chef Wael.
So, are you single?
Are you single?
Yes, I'm still single.
You're still single? After all these years,
Only one is a Kalahati years.
ay isang kalahati.
Yes, not too much.
1 year.
1 year and a half. Yes.
Okay.
I am working before in Dubai 7 years.
7
And I
years.
have too much friend Filipinos there. That's why I like to.
You were influenced
Because the
by
people in Philippines really kind. That's why.
influenced by his
Yes.
Pinoy friends. So,
In
you're
Dubai.
excited to live here.
Before also I have girlfriend from in Dubai. She is
Dubai.
Filipina also.
Pilipinas.
Yes. Before, but we broke up.
Isang Pinay na naman.
Yes, we really.
Why did you broke up? Kasi Kuya Kun. Are you the one who...
No. Sometimes life like that. But I am really like to live here in Philippines because this is very nice country.
Hi guys! So I'm with Babe! Malamang mawawala ba yan sa vlog ko? So naluto na ni Chef Wael yung ating first dish. First dish? Hindi, yung una nating titikman is yung kanilang buy one take one na beef
Beef
shawarma.
shawarma.
Yes. Mabibili nyo to here for only 139. Tapos only sauce na yan siya. So
Tatabas.
titikman na natin. Kasama si Babe. Go
Ito.
Be. Go Be. Nakirit eh.
Na para bang ang lahat
Para
ay
bang lahat ay-
kalalabas lang ng kremasyon.
You know what it is.
First bite is yours!
Sarap. Ang sarap.
Yung feeling, ang sarap.
Tapos ito, isasawsaw ko tayo hot sauce. Ako mag-garlic sauce ako.
Let's try the hot sauce.
Oh. Wow.
Kumisipa sa te.
Sarap. Tapos, halimbawa, habang kumakain ka, pwede ka magpalagay kay chef ng ano, sauce. Kasi andi ang kanilang sauce, kahit anong sauce na gusto mo. Grabe, sarap.
Tumudo sa sobrang dami ng feeling. Hindi siya puro fika.
Ay, nalaglag ang karne. Ay, ang dami kasing karne, be. Dami. What are your other best seller here?
We have also this meal, the box beef shawarma or chicken shawarma. Only 159 and 149 for chicken. French fries was juice free. This one you can see, this one.
When we buy this, it has fries and drinks
Yes,
already.
one fries, one,
One
juice
drink.
for free. Also I have
All in one.
Also, I have rice biryani, beef shawarma or chicken, more flavor, kebab, grilled chicken, fried chicken. Also, this meal all with French fries and juice.
Next is titikman naman natin ng shawarma box ni Chef Wael. Ang chicken is 149 and beef is 159. So tara, tikman natin.
Tikman ko naman ngayon yung shawarma box. Yung chicken naman, yung ginawa ni Chef Wael. Tikman natin. Sarap!
Well, it is looking at you.
Yes.
Ano kaya po?
How was it? Yummy like you? My Tommy?
For the taste. It's yummy.
If this is yummy, I'll marry you.
How about the hot sauce? Do you like?
For me some, just a little.
Okay, little no too much.
Itadakimasu!
Masarap?
Masarap!
Sarap! Let's go to Egypt, let's marry each other.
No way. Now you.
Ah, you're bringing me to Egypt because of this food.
Okay.
Okay ba?
If you come to my house, I'll teach you many vocabulary in Tagalog. Okay.